Gonna plebes, half of Broke Boys here, and today we're gonna be doing the headliner on my truck. We're gonna replace it with suede, and we're also gonna be doing the Starlights headliner, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, first part is done. We took off the passenger side visor. It's right here. Bolts. And next up is this one. Okay guys, we took out everything holding up the roof right now. Now we just gotta take out the headliner and we'll be done for this part. Alright guys, update. We got the headliner out of the truck. Right now we're taking off all the material. It was a struggle to say, but right now we're gonna take off the material. We're gonna wire this down, and then we're gonna get ready to set the new fabric on, the suede. Here's the process. We laid the suede down, glued it already. So far, just making these final cuts so we could fold it. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good so far, guys. Here's what it's looking like. Alright guys, so the Starlights just got here. I'm gonna open the box right now and show you what's all in there and everything like that. Okay guys, so I just skipped on, but it was the fibers and then just a little motor inside the box. But here it is. I got all 550 all of them in. It was a struggle, took a little bit of time, but we got it done. But I still gotta glue them and trim them, so I'm gonna do that still. And I'll show you guys once they're all trimmed, and after that I'll probably show it once it's in the truck. Alright guys, I got the hot glue gun ready. I'm about to glue all these down. Well, it's gonna be a long process. See how this goes. Guys, I did finish. I'm trying to put the roof back on right now. It's a little bit of a mess, but it'll do. But so far I think I'm gonna run it down this pillar, and yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm done or if I have any updates. Alright guys, so I got it all in the truck now. This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the stars on right now. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. 550 lights. Yes sir. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I thought they look pretty good. It was a long process, but we got it done. Here it is. We're inside the truck now. All doors are closed. It's pretty dark outside. But yeah. Alright guys, that is gonna be it for this video. If you did enjoy